Hello and welcome back to the channel. I'm William Murfitt and today I have an apology. So yesterday or the day before I uploaded a video rebuilding the lower suspension arms on this here subframe. Now I tried to give it as clear and concise information as possible based on my knowledge of the car. No, I'm not a professional, I don't do this day in day out, this is just a hobby of mine that I have some mechanical background. But I made a fundamental error and I'm happy to put my hands up and admit my error. So I did make two fundamental errors and a few other things that people have picked up on. So firstly, the minor things that people have picked up on is when I installed the rubber bushes for the lower arm, I use multi-purpose grease. People have said this isn't great because the grease can eat into your bearings, into your bushes. So you should use a rubber specific oil or grease. So that's mistake number one. I apologize about that. Mistake number two, which I tried to make a rectification video yesterday, which messed up once again, was the lower arms here are actually fitted the wrong way around. So you've got a larger and a smaller bolt hole. Now this is so that you have a tapered thread on your ball joint and it locks into place. Now I learnt this from Mini Tom. He posted a video up rebuilding his lower suspension and I didn't know that. I thought they weren't sided, so yeah, they are sided and I just need to swap them over. While I swap them over, I'm going to clean the bushes free so they haven't got any grease on them and hopefully that prolong the life of those. The other thing I made the error on, which is again minor oversight, was the tie bars. Now, I've said that you have a kink in them that should fit with the contours of the subframe. That is wrong. The tie bars should be straight. And the reason they're bent is because they've maybe been poorly jacked or just fatigue, or maybe it's been involved in a little bit of a bump. I had a number of tie rods here. Well, I checked 5 different tie rods and they've all bent and pretty much all in the same place. It's pretty impressive they've all done that. So I assumed wrongly that is an error. I do have some uprated adjustable tie bars, but for the build that I'm doing for my Mini outside, it's not really going to be necessary. A bit overkill, really, because it's a standard 998 car, so I don't really need it. So I'm going to start on the hunt for some replacement tie bars or tie rods, and hopefully can get them pretty cheap, so I can just turn up, fit them on, swap the lower arms over, and the bottom part of the car is done. I have started filming the upper arms, but work for that has stopped because I've got a job on. So videos for this will be coming very soon. We're doing some suspension work, and yeah, I'm really looking forward to getting stuck into this. So I just wanted to apologise for the oversight on my part. Apologise for the fact that I tried to make a rectification video and actually still messed up. On the subject of the lower arms, I assumed that the bigger hole was at the bottom and the smaller hole at the top, so that the ball joint could go in and mount up. That's incorrect. The small hole is at the bottom and the bigger hole is at the top. Reasons why I'm not 100% sure, but it's to do with I've been told it's to do with a tapered ball joint. So that is that. I used copper grease on the threads of the bolts, and I'm still happy to do that. It's the way I was taught, and I'm happy to proceed with that. So that's my lookout. It's my car. It's fine. But other than that, I can't think of anything else I've made an error on. But I just wanted to say I'm sorry. I've made an error, and I'm happy to put my hands up and own up to it. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Take it easy. Bye.